Hello students, on our computer lesson today, we'll be looking at data integrity. Data integrity is the accuracy, maintenance and consistency of data. It is the reliability and trustworthiness of data. It also ensures the connectivity of data and also protects the accuracy of data. Now let's look at importance of data integrity. Data integrity ensures the recoverability, searchability, and traceability to the origin of data. If your data is trustworthy, it's easy to recover that data. It's also easy to search it out. It's also easy to trace it back to the origin of the data. Another importance of data integrity is that it protects the validity and accuracy of data. Let's look at the factors that can affect data integrity. Human error. Mistakes from human beings can affect data integrity. Maybe error that can arise from input. You mistakenly entered the wrong data, or when a particular data set is entered twice, that there's duplicate copy of a particular data set and you did not realize that. These are some of the factors that can affect data integrity. Another factor is unintended transfer errors. Sometimes when you're trying to transfer a data set from a particular device to another device, or from a particular location to another location, there might be mistake in the transfer, there might be transfer error. This is another factor that can affect data integrity. Misconfiguration and security error. When you do not configure correctly, or when the configuration did not complete, or when you did not secure your data correctly, it can also affect the accuracy or integrity of the data set. Malware, virus, hacking and other cyber threats. When virus attacks a data set, of course it has affected the accuracy of that data. Hacking, when hackers invade your device and have access to your data set, it can also affect the accuracy of that data set. Compromised hardware, example, disk crash. Hardware like your storage medium. Sometimes when there's a problem with your storage medium, it can also affect the accuracy of the data set stored in that storage medium. Let's look at some of the things that can ensure data integrity. Some of the things you have to do to make sure your data set is correct or accurate. Be accurate. Data set should be verified and validated to ensure that the input is correct. When a data set is supplied by a known or unknown source, ensure input validation. There are softwares that you can use to enter your data set or to validate your data set to make sure that there is no error in your data set. Another factor is perform risk-based validation. Certify or make sure that your data processes haven't been corrupted by scheduling risks periodic evaluation. From time to time, reevaluate your data set to make sure that your data set has not been corrupted. Another factor is removing duplicate data. You can do that by cleaning up stray data by using tools like Clone, File Checker, Duplicate Image Finder. When you use these apps or these tools, you can use it to find out duplicate data sets and remove it. Another factor is backup data or archive regularly. From time to time, backup and save your data to prevent permanent data loss. If there's a problem with the data set you're working with and you have a backup, you can use the backup to replace the one that has been affected by either virus, malware, or other factors that can affect the accuracy of your data set. Another factor is access control. Access control should be given to only individuals who access the given data sets. Everybody shouldn't have access to the data set you're working with. It's only people who access that data set. They should be the only one to have access to the data set. And you can also use a key to ensure, or you can use a key or a password to ensure that the data is secure. Another factor that we're looking at is keep an audit trail. Make sure you have an irreversible record of all data in a system, including any change that must have been made to a database or file. Keep a copy of any change or any data set you have in your system. You have a backup, have secure your data set. When there are changes, also save the changes. That's an audit trail. So in case you need it in the future. These are some of the factors to ensure the accuracy and validity of your data sets. This is where I'll be drawing the curtain today on this topic on data integrity. Let's go over to the assessment section. Question number 1. What is data integrity? State 2 factors that can affect data integrity. Drop your answer at the assessment section. That will be all for today. See you in our next video.